Today, I'm going to teach you how to export a Perplexity thread to Google Docs and Microsoft Word. This is incredibly useful when you want to save your AI conversations for future reference or share them with colleagues in a more accessible format. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to perplexity.ai. Once the page loads, log in using your credentials. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can start interacting with Perplexity's AI. Now, look for the main chat input box positioned in the center of the page. This is where you'll type your question. Go ahead and enter whatever query you have in mind. Once you've typed it out, press enter on your keyboard or click the submit button to proceed. Perplexity will then process your question and generate a response. After you receive your answer, it's time to export the thread. In the upper right corner of the screen, click on the three dotted lines icon. This will open a menu with several options for managing your conversation. If you want to export to Google Docs, click on Export as Markdown from the menu. This format works perfectly for importing into Google Docs while maintaining formatting. Wait for a few seconds while Perplexity generates the file. Once it's ready, navigate to the upper right corner of your browser and click on the download icon. Open the file that was just downloaded to your device. Alternatively, if you prefer a more direct approach, you can simply copy the answer manually. Highlight the text you want to save by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. Right-click on the highlighted text and select Copy from the menu that appears. Now, open a new tab in your browser and go to Google Docs. Click on Blank Document to create a new file. Once the document opens, paste the copied text directly into it. Your Perplexity thread is now saved in Google Docs, where you can edit, format, or share it as needed. If you want to export as Microsoft Word instead, go back to your Perplexity tab. In the upper right corner, click on the three dotted lines again. This time, select Export as DOCX from the menu. This will create a file that's fully compatible with Microsoft Word. Wait a few seconds while the file is being generated. Once it's ready, navigate to the upper right corner of your browser and click on Download. Open the file to view your Perplexity thread in Microsoft Word format, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to export your Perplexity conversations to both Google Docs and Microsoft Word, giving you flexibility in how you save and share your AI interactions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.